गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु For the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, I am giving a great news, very good news, historical news and spiritual news. Brahmavidya Peetham International decided that Susri Anandaji will take a sannyas here in this country. This country is her birthplace. From India, Swami Avadheshananda, head of Juna Khada, that is a great and oldest organization which was established by Adi Shankaracharya. So he is coming to give sannyas in Trinidad and Tobago. That is a historical event because nobody has taken sannyas in this own country. Or any girls in this small age didn't take the sannyas. She is taking the sannyas. This sannyas is a turning point in the history of the Sanatan Dharma and Hindu Dharma for this country. So my dear brother and sister, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th July 2016, this program, these rituals and spirituals going to take place in the near to Kartal village in the campus of the ashram, the centers, Brahmavidya Peetham. So all are invited. Please come to attend. We have various program and bhajan, music, dance, cultural program, art, many good artists coming to attend, to enjoy. Not only Swamiji's blessing and our selected speaker is coming from the all organizations and from the political field, from spiritual field, from social field, and not only of this country, from the other country, Barbados, Suriname, Guyana, Holland, America, and then other country, Jamaica, people is coming to attend this ceremony. My request is, my appeal, कि all devotee of the Dharma, please come to attend the rituals. Ananda will take sannyas. So beginning on the 1st and 2nd is the rituals of sannyas, and all hair will shave by the people, maybe near to Gangadhara. And next, and then new name, a new dress. So she will wear it to complete dedicated the life in the feet of the sannyas life, renunciation. Sannyas means not only the leave everything, not only detachment by heart with the material world, but attached with the God, achieve the bliss and peace and love in the life, and to serve the society and encourage, elevate, to prepare the enlightened citizenship in this country with the patriotic feeling in the Trinidad and Tobago. So my dear brother and sister, don't forget. And we are giving many advertise. See that, read that, feel that, and then attend this program and give blessing. So my dearest daughter, Susri Anandaji, after accepting the sannyas life, thank you. I am praying in the lotus feet of God. Oh God, bless. Oh Bharat Mata, bless to Ananda. Oh the flag of Trinidad, Tobago and India and whole nation. Because now she is going to be international citizen of the world after sannyas. So please, you don't forget, attend and listen the spiritual lecture, cultural program and rituals, bhajan and kirtan on the soil of this nation. Thank this nation. Trinidad Tobago lucky, and whole family member is lucky. All friend, nearest and dearest people, relative, they are lucky. They are looking through own eyes this great historical rituals, because this is the first daughter of Trinidad Tobago who is going to make the history in a spiritual field, a spiritual arena of this country. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.